The addition and subtraction concept sequence has an empirical and logical basis.
The empirical basis means that all later concept levels are both harder than, and also include, earlier concept levels. The logical basis means that specific earlier concept levels are prerequisites for specific later concept levels.
We've made the levels with logical basis easy to see by placing them in the same column. Number and algebra concepts in kindergarten are taught informally.
These concepts are listed under early counting and grouping. In Year 1, children begin by investigating that when we count forwards and backwards, we are adding or subtracting 1 each time,
and how we record this on a number line.
Children investigate adding and subtracting, counting by ones, using counters, and on a number line.
Children then use their developing understanding of these place value concepts to add and subtract single-digit numbers, bridging 10, 20, and any decade. Related concepts are investigated separately.
In Year 2, children who have not yet demonstrated their understanding of adding and subtracting single-digit numbers using place value will continue to investigate this. They then build on their understanding to add and subtract tens numbers and two-digit numbers using place value and compensation.
Place value concepts are integrated as children demonstrate they need to be.
90% of number, in Years 1 and 2, is addition, subtraction, and additive place value. It is important that children leave Year 1 and 2 with well-developed understanding of these additive concepts to allow them to begin to develop their capacity to think multiplicatively from Year 3 onwards about multiplicative concepts. In Years 3 and 4 there is no new addition or subtraction to learn. Children continue to build on their developing understanding by adding and subtracting larger numbers using place value and compensation. The focus shifts to investigating concepts related to addition and subtraction that use additive thinking, including properties of odd and even numbers, equivalence, and number patterns. The focus in Years 5 and 6 moves to adding and subtracting fractions using place value. In Year 6, the focus moves to include adding and subtracting decimals, and continues on investigating concepts related to addition and subtraction that use additive thinking, including equivalence and number patterns.